I love this bit of the story. The big bad wolf took a deep breath. He huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Oh. Yes, I know that at the end I don't blow the brick house down, but I love that part of the story when I blow the stick house down. I huff and I puff. Okay, got some magnetic letters here. We're going to use them to help practice our sounds, and then we're going to have a go at making some words using them. So let's have a go at this one first. My turn, s, your turn. My turn, t, your turn. My turn, o, your turn. My turn, n, your turn. My turn, a, your turn. My turn, I, your turn. And my turn, d, your turn. I'm going to bring that one up a bit closer. It's trickier to see the other ones. My turn, d, your turn. Brilliant. Okay, let's see if we can bring some of these together to make some words. Well, already I can see a tricky word. I can see two. My turn, two, your turn. And if I take that one away and I put that one there, I can see N-O spells no. Well done. How about if we bring this one up and put this one with it? What's this one? You can see is. Is. Well done. Let's put that one down there and let's try putting this one here. Can you see that one? We've still got the I. It. It. Well done. Let's pop that one down and bring that one across. We've still got the I. We've got the N as well now. So in. In. Well done. Let's put that down and put this one here. On. On. Well done. And let's do one more. Let's do this one. An. An. If we put that one there, we get another one of our tricky words, look. And. And. Well spotted. Fantastic. Well done. Brilliant. Looking at tricky words and sounds and words as well. Brilliant. Our new sound for today is in huff and puff. I'm going to show you it right now. It's a digraph. So it's two letters making one sound. It's a digraph. But the letters in the digraph are the same. Are you ready to see? I get my pen ready. Here we go. It goes like this. Yes, I know you saw that before. That's a f. But we need another one for huff and puff. That is also a f sound that you would find at the end of a lot of words, like huff and puff. I wonder what other words we'll find with this digraph in them. Come and help me huff and puff some houses down, and we'll see what words we can find with this digraph. So remember, when you see this, it's not f, f, it's f. So I'm going to huff and I'm going to puff and I'm going to blow some houses down and see if I can find some words underneath them that have got the f sound in them. You ready to help me? Let's try the straw house. Yes, let's spot these words. Let's have a look. What have we got here? Huff. And what have we got on the next one? Let's have a look on the straw. Puff. Huff and puff. Let's see what else we can find. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Let's try the straw house. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Let's have a look. Here we go. Cuff. Like the cuff of your shirt or the cuff of your jumper. Let's have a look at this bit. This one. Off. Off. Turn the light off, please. Well done, little wolf cubs. You found lots of words with in them. So remember, when you see this digraph, it's not it's so. What is it that you all think I say in that famous story, The Three Little Pigs? What is it I say? I do say, little pigs, let me come in. But there's something else that I'm really good at, and that's huffing and puffing and blowing houses down. Can you help me write my famous line? To huff and puff. We're going to write huff and puff. So let's have a go. You guys can help me at home too. So let's have a go at writing huff. What does it begin with? Well done. Wobbly board. What's going to be next? Ah. Well done, it's the ah. And what's going to be next? The new digraph, you say, ah. Well done. So not just one, but two. Huff. And. How do we do and? We need a space. And we need and. And. Huff and puff. So let's have a go. What does puff begin with? P. Well done. P. Ah. Ah. Oh. It's pretty much the same. It's just got a P at the beginning. I need the digraph again. P. Ah. I'm so good when I huff and puff because I can blow houses down. All right, I can't blow brick ones down, but I'm pretty good at blowing down straw houses and stick houses. When I huff and puff. Rawr.